guys, welcome back to my channel. It is a few minutes past 9 Saturday, and I woke up 7 o'clock. I did my morning routine, I did chores, everything, and it's just time for me to film. So the things I have to do today, I have to write 3,000 words. I also have to record 2 YouTube videos. Then I also want to start YouTube shorts. So I have 5 videos planned. Like, I want to record 5 videos because, like, you know, start strong because it's short form and I have like a lot of ideas. So I'm like, okay, let me just record 5 today and let's see how it's going to be. So usually when I'm recording YouTube videos, regular YouTube videos that are 10 minutes, it takes me like 20 to 30 minutes depending on if I have prepared very well. So if I prepared very well, maybe like 15 minutes, 17 minutes to record a 10-minute video. But if like I don't have anything to say, I just keep on rambling, it'll take me like 30 minutes. So since it's short form, like a TikTok video is going to be like 1 minute or less. So I'm just like, okay, 3 minutes to record every video. So that's like 15 minutes. But I'm just going to give myself like 30 minutes. But total for the whole day, like I've slotted in 2 hours to film. So I'm just like, hopefully all the setting up, all the miking, all the testing, it's going to be like 2 hours, nothing more, because I don't have more than 2 hours to devote to YouTube today. The first thing I'm going to do is write. So I'm writing a fantasy novel. I'm already at 43K. I hit 43K yesterday night. And I have to write 3K today. So I usually divide it into half. So that's 1,500 in the morning and 1,500 in the night, around at 7 o'clock. I hit 43K yesterday. I have to hit 44,500 this morning. Then 46K by night. So that's the first thing I'm going to do today. And I've been writing for more than an hour. The scenes that I'm writing in my novel, I'm not writing them in order. So I'm writing, okay, this scene, I have inspiration for this scene, I'll write that scene. If the next scene is like in chapter 20, I'll write that scene. If I remember one scene in chapter 2, I'll go and write that one. So it's not in order. So before, when I used to write my novel in a notebook, I used to write it in order, chronologically. I write it scene after scene, chapter after chapter, because it's a notebook. Like, you cannot remove a scene and put it here and change it. Like, it has to be in order because people are going to read it like that. So I used to write it in order. So I just feel like, okay, my writing style or my writing process is to write the things in order. But lately, ever since I started writing novels again, that 2021 time, like, I realized that I can't write it in order. Even if a scene, let's say there are 2 people sitting in between, I can be writing a scene and I'll just skip one part and I'll go to the middle of the scene before I come back to it. Because like some things don't come to me. Like, so maybe there are 5 scenes in a novel. Like, I only know like maybe the beginning, the end, then one random scene in the middle. Then maybe like the other 2, I don't know what's going to happen there. So I'll just write the ones that I know first. Then I'll go back and write it and try to fill in the blank. Like, okay, what happened here? What happened here? So that's what I'm doing. I'm just writing anyhow. I've written the end, I've written the beginning, I've written a few scenes in the middle, but nothing like concrete. So I'm just writing random scenes as it's getting to me, so that by the time, even if it's not making sense at the end of the first draft, like, nobody is going to read the novel. It's only me that's going to read it. So second draft, but before I give it to my beta readers, like, second draft is just me like making all the scenes cohesive, come together. Scene after scene, like, okay, you understand that this is the way things are happening. But at the moment, I'm just writing, this is how the scenes are coming to me, and I write it like that. I'm going to go and prepare to record a YouTube video now. And any other thing I want to say, I'll say it as I'm preparing. So the 2 YouTube videos I want to film are self-care and my lock journey. So I locked my hair 2020 beginning, like very beginning, like 1st of January 2020. And it's been 3 years since I locked my hair. So I wanted to like just make a video on the things that I've learned, my experience so far, like how it has been. So I'm making that, and I'm also making a self-care video. So the video on self-care is like, oh, why self-care is ruining like your life. I know it's like a very drastic title. So that's the video I'm going to make first. Which one should I make first? No, I'll make that one first, self-care video first, because I think that's the one that I'm most prepared for. Even though like the lock one, my lock journey is just like a very easy, just go to saying things that I've experienced basically. But I'm going to record that self-care video first, and I'm going to post it. I'm going to post it tomorrow. I'm supposed to post it today, but see me, I'm recording it today because it's Saturday and I want to be posting every Saturday. I also have to edit it today. and try to upload it this night so that it will be online tomorrow evening, so Sunday. I like it when I'm like, oh, I have a video and it's weeks ahead. It just to make me feel productive. Like, okay, oh, I have a video that is going up on maybe 1st of April and I'm recording it in beginning of March. That kind of thing. Like, I like it because on the days where you're not productive, when you don't have things to do, you will relax. Like, okay, if you have 3-4 videos ahead of schedule. But these days, it's like the day before I post it, that's when I'm recording it. Or sometimes, like, I've recorded it for months. But editing is not my favorite thing to do. Especially if it's like a sit-down video because, like, I don't have strength. But I want that habit of, like, having 3-4 videos ahead. Like, I'm posting one video and I still have 3 more videos that is ready. Then for the lock video, I have things that people should know if they want to lock their hair, because I've made a few mistakes that have affected my lock journey, and I'm like, okay, let me tell anybody. I'm a fan of doing videos that I don't have plans of recording again, so I don't want it to be a hair channel to grab. So I'm low-key scared that, oh, people are going to watch this video and they're going to be expecting me to be making hair videos. Obviously, I have locks, so I'm going to be posting a video once in a while. I want to be once in a while, maybe like once in a year, that kind of thing. So I don't want people to be expecting that, oh, come and make lock videos, pros and cons of locks, come and do grab. But I just want to post this video, So even if something happens and people are like, oh, they want more lock videos, I'm like, I'm just going to recommend the lock channels that I like to follow, because locks are not my main thing. Because if I say, oh, I want to cut my hair now, all the people that follow me for locks, they will not be there again. I was supposed to take pictures of my locks yesterday. What happened? I even forgot. I was supposed to take pictures, like, outside in the sun for the lock thumbnail videos and everything. For the thumbnail. So take picture of my hair, like, this. See, this is how my hair looks. Then I also have a few pictures of my hair, like the day I locked it and all that, but I cannot find it. It's probably on my laptop, but like I have so many pictures. And it's not as if it's like my own pictures or like just screenshots, documents, things that are not even important. So it's going to take, I have to dedicate like a whole day to search for all the pictures of my looks that I've taken. Then also have the short form videos I want to record today, the TikTok videos and YouTube Shorts videos I want to record. So I'm hoping that they don't take light, because I have dedicated this day to being productive. I started watching Ayamechi's vlog that she posted this morning. But I just said, no, you watch it so you're done. Because today is productive day. I don't want to be distracted. Because it's been a while since she posted. And I saw that the video she posted, this one that she posted yesterday, she started recording it 3rd of February. And she's posting it, yesterday was 3rd of March, Abby? Yes. So I'm like, okay, see? Like, she has videos ahead. So I'm like, I want to be a serious content creator. Testing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just finished recording the first video and I want to take a break because like after talking for a long time, like my throat is taking like so, and I just want to like sit down and eat or something. But like I know that if I rest too much and never take this light, like sorry for me. So I have to like maybe rest for like 2 minutes, then try to record the other video, and that's it, chat. NEPA is on my side today. They've not taken light since I woke up, and at least thank God. I was thinking that maybe I should not record the second video today because I don't want the situation where I'm recording and they take the light. That means I'll have to like start again next time, or do grab. I was like, maybe I should not record. But they don't take it light, and I finished recording the second video. So I'm just going to eat now and hope that they don't take it light so I can start recording the TikTok videos. Regarding the 3 short form platforms, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, I've just been overthinking. It's like, do I want to post the same videos on each platform? Because I've been studying each platform and I realized that different things do well on each platform. Like Instagram is very aesthetic, vlogs, different clips in a video, trending songs. TikTok is more like, TikTok has everything. You can do well with sit down videos, talking for 5 minutes. You can do well with vlogs. You can do well with any kind of dance videos, whatever. But YouTube, the ones that I've seen as far creatives that do well on YouTube is more talking, sharing experiences and all that. Those are the kind of videos that I see that do well. But Instagram is very aesthetic. And I'm like, do I post the same videos on each platform, or I should just post only talking videos on TikTok or on YouTube? And then TikTok can post 3-minute videos, but I can't post that 3 minutes TikTok on YouTube. It's easier for me to decide to start posting on TikTok because I know that my friends don't follow me on TikTok. But Instagram is like everybody's hub. Like all your friends follow you there. And I think it's more intimidating to start Instagram. YouTube, people that don't really use YouTube or that don't follow my content, they will most likely not be getting my content. But Instagram is like everybody. I don't know, it's just me overthinking things because I've been studying. I want to do like different kinds of formats on TikTok. Just some will be sit down videos, vlogs, some will be like voiceovers, aesthetic, tutorials, just a mixture of things. And I was thinking, like, okay, who do I want to be my target audience? Because it's easy to drag the wrong people to follow you on TikTok on short form. So you know, I'm a writer. If I want to post short things, like things I'm writing, it is most likely readers that I'm going to attract, and some other writers too. But I want to attract creatives. So I'm like, how do I get this balance of posting what I'm writing but not getting only readers? I want to get creatives. I want to get photographers, filmmakers, writers, content creators. So that's just what I've been thinking of, like, how do I get that balance? So it's something that I've been brainstorming and I have not figured it out yet because I need to have a target audience in mind. And that's the major reason, or maybe because I'm lazy, but that's the major reason why I've been procrastinating on starting TikTok, because I don't want to attract the wrong people. I recorded 2 shots. I don't know why it took like 10 minutes to record the first one, and that one is like shorter than the second one. But I don't know, you know, like YouTube videos, I can easily edit in between. But if I edit in between, I don't know, I think plenty of people will notice. I don't know. So I was trying to like do it in one take, but not particularly in one take, but like I wanted to get it right, so it was taking too long, and I was just like, so the second video took less time. I'm like, do I really want to film 5 videos? Like, I know it's not going to take time, but I'm not really in the mood to film 5 videos. So I'm just like, should I record? Because I was expecting Sun to be out, but the Sun is not out at all. So I'll just start editing the videos and remove this makeup, remove this dress, everything, and start editing the video. That's the self-care video. It's supposed to go up tomorrow, so that's it. So I just finished editing the video 6:04, and I'm thinking it's still possible that I could upload the video today. but I'm just no. I still have to edit thumbnail and upload it and everything. It's just too much stress. And I know that maybe it's going to be like 9-10 by the time the video finishes uploading. I'll just upload it in the middle of the night and schedule it for tomorrow. That's 3 p.m. Sunday, but 3 p.m. and edit thumbnail, because if I try to upload it today, I'll be rushing and I'll be anxious. I'm like, oh my god, it's already 8, it's already 9. So I just want to like let it be till tomorrow. Then I still have like maybe 900 words to go to write, so maybe that'll be later in the night. And what else do I have to do? I think that's all. Then I'm thinking of changing my banner, my YouTube banner. It has been like that for almost a year. Like my YouTube anniversary is like maybe March 10th, and it has been like that since the first video I uploaded. So I was like, let me just change my banner. I've been thinking, what kind of banner like fits, what kind of banner do I like? Because of like, I just see people's banners and like they are very fine. And just like if I see somebody's banner, it's totally different from another person's banner that I saw that I really liked. So I'm like, okay, what kind of banner will I want? And I'll be fine too. Like other people will notice and like, okay, this banner is fine. Because I just feel like this banner is just like plain. It's like a sellotape design. I was like, let me just change it. Maybe there's still time, I'll create a new one, because I have like a few pictures that I want to like merge together and create the banner. It's not going to take me a lot of time. So I might do that. So I just want to go and eat. And I think it's going to be the outro for this video, because like I don't have any other thing to say. So till next time, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Check out my TikTok and YouTube shorts and Instagram. I'm not sure, because by the time this video goes live, I would have started posting on YouTube shorts and TikTok and everything. So check out. I'll leave the links in the description for you to check out. So till next time.